You like that thing, Derek? Yeah? He's jumping so much we can't take a picture, so we'll take a video.
Send it to you. They look like a fan. So it gets a little taller, you just raise him up.
Yeah. I think he's already been on here for an hour.
Oh no.
And he's still going down.
You enjoy that? Yeah, I and I are going to have issues. I guess I'm going to have to hide the dog.